replacing millions of jobs, erasing key events from history, and jeopardizing national security. These are just a few of the dangers of artificial intelligence.
The threats are so ominous that one AI CEO is calling for government regulations. He warns that artificial intelligence could cause, quote, significant harm to the world. David Brody reports.
My worst fears are that we, the field, the technology, the industry, cause significant harm to the world.
A surprise call for action from OpenAI CEO Sam Altman, clarifying the dangers of tomorrow posed by the rapidly evolving technology of artificial intelligence. Altman wants lawmakers to step in and regulate it before it's too late, even calling for a government agency to oversee the industry.
I think if this technology goes wrong, it can go quite wrong, and we want to be vocal about that.
It's been less than a year since ChatGPT was released to the world, and AI technology can already do so much more. From speech writing and tutoring to machine learning, it can create new content such as music and art. It can even create deepfake video and audio. Senator Richard Blumenthal opening the hearing with a ChatGPT-generated greeting and audio app that impersonated his voice based on Senate floor speeches.
Too often, we have seen what happens when technology outpaces regulation.
If you were listening from home, you might have thought that voice was mine and the words from me. But in fact, that voice was not mine.
So it's very important that we just take it a step at a time and develop it slowly so it doesn't ruin our lives as far as human life is concerned.
As lawmakers scramble to regulate AI technology, tech expert Burton Kelso tells CBN News that protecting yourself from this technology starts with protecting personal information.
So the thing that we have to worry about as individuals is making sure that we're not putting personal information in AI, because at any point, either through a supply chain hack or just a hack with OpenAI itself, then that information can be exposed to the dark web.
Some major fears include AI replacing millions of jobs. It could even falsify information for malicious gain or be used to erase key moments from history. However, one of the biggest concerns deals with national security.
Given that we're going to face an election next year and these models are getting better, I think this is a significant area of concern.
Rapid advances in AI tech are complicating efforts here and abroad to agree on laws that govern emerging technologies. China has already drafted regulations that could shape the future.
But at the same time, a lot of technology comes out of China. And I think one of the things that we want to prevent as a country is that China rules everything.
This is a remarkable time to be working on artificial intelligence. But as this technology advances, we understand that people are anxious about how it could change the way we live.
Brody Carter, CBN News.